Hello physios, get back to my channel. Today we learn on condition on ortho anterior cruciate ligament, which is your any tearing of your ligament. It is a ligament to the knee joint. First we go for the basic anatomy. First it's your origin. It is from your lateral femoral condyle in the intercondylar notch and getting inserts into the anterior spine of tibia, and the nerve supplied is by your tibial nerve, and the action, it resides in the anterior translation. That means it moves your forward and medial rotation of tibia. And its causes of ACL injury, it can have suddenly changing the direction and stopping suddenly, or also you can while running or jogging and you're slowing down, it may also cause ACL tear. And while you're landing from a high jump, it causes your knee tear of ACL ligament. And you can also have any football playing, any sports injuries, your direct contact or any collision. And some of the several studies has shown that female athletes have higher incidence of ACL injury than male athletes because of some of the reasons. It may have some of the physical conditioning, your muscular strength, and it may coordination of neuromuscular control, your pelvis and your leg alignment. It also affects on estrogen on ligament properties. There is a menstrual cycles also. And your ACL occurs in combination with the damage to the meniscus and your articular cartilage. Secondary damage may occur in patients who have repeated episodes of instability. Your knee joint can also cause your ACL injury. There are some of the grades to the ACL ligament. Grade 1 sprain. Here the term sprain is nothing but your tearing of your ligament. What happens in grade 1 sprain? Your ligament will be mild damage. It can be slightly stretched, but the knee joint will be stable. Whereas your grade 2, your ligament will be stretched so that your knee joint will be very loose, and your grade 2 it can also be called as partial tear of the ligament. And grade 3 sprains is complete tear of the ligament, and the ligament has been split into two pieces, and thus your knee joint will be unstable. So these grades can be given while you are assessing to the patient, like grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. Next, some of the clinical features, like the noise will be like popping sound when you are walking. Only the ACL injured patients can sense it up. And the typical symptoms like pain with swelling facially, loss of full range of motion, tenderness, and difficulty in walking. So here some of the special tests for your ACL injury. Those are your Lachman test. Firstly, to do this, the patient should be in lying supine position and the knee must be flexed 15 degrees with some external rotation of your leg so that it can relaxes your IT band and pull it up, and your thumb should be placed on the thigh and your next other hand should be placed on the tibia and pull up. So this shows your Lachman test. Your anterior drawer test, it means first your whether which leg, right or left, your affected leg must be flexed into 45 degrees, and the therapist will be sit on the patient feet. Because why? Because only the affected leg will be sitting. Why? Because of the knee must be stable, that the knee should not be moving either sides. And then make the knee must be pull up. It means pull in anteriorly. It gives the anterior drawer test. Your lower leg must be pulled up to check the knee joint laxity. So this is your anterior drawer test. Nextly, on investigations, we can go for your MRI. MRI gives the clear picture, that is the accurate results for your MRI of the tear of the ligament. These are your exams can be shown both of the soft tissue and the bone injuries. You can also go for any X-rays for any ruled out any fractures or any broken bones. For ACL reconstruction, this is most important. It can also be asked as 10 marker ACL reconstruction, or it can be also as a 5 marker. How would you write? Just I give on 10 steps. Firstly, ACL reconstruction only for meant for the sports or any having any knee joint unstable, like having any ACL tear. And the ligament will be constructed by using the patient's tendon. Patient's tendon, it might be any facial lata, there is a muscle, and the tendon or fascia will be taken from the another person, that is called your allograft, and or a synthetic ligament can also be taken. If knee ligaments are torn more than one, it can be diagnosed. This injury is not detected in X-rays, but not sure in detected in X-rays. But treatment will be depends upon the activity level of the patient, like whether he is cooperating with us or not. And the patient will be on sedentary lifestyle and must be achieved with the physio treatment. For the actively patients, your ACL reconstruction is necessary, and mostly the ACL is very common injury can happen to the most of the people in sports injuries, and the treatment is a choice. In this torn ligament, it will be replaced with the tendon graft. This is done with your endoscopically. That the joint can be examined with the 4 mm of telescope, and the tendon graft is taken from the patella tendon or hamstring tendons and introduced into the knee joint, that is through the tunnels, bone tunnels, either the tibia, femur and fibula, middle patella, it can be introduced, and the grafting will be fixed with the both ends of the screws or any fixation. We can also go in other devices. Next, on furthermore surgery, the advantage of being is invasive, and it can be results in quick return to the function of ADLs, daily activities of living system, that he can come back. This is your ACL reconstruction. What will be the treatment? Your treatment, it can be non-surgical method, it can be surgical method. Immediately after injury, firstly we go for the RICE, RIC, rest, ice, compression and elevation. You can have your exercises with some brace. On further detail, we go for the next PT management in the next video. Thanks for watching my channel.